Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We're going to have a giveaway in this video. Two biggest rules for my giveaways. You must be a subscriber. I do check and watch this video in its entirety. One of my other giveaways I've got going on every month, I do an eyeshadow palette. And for the month of June, I am giving away the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below, as well as links for all my other giveaways so you can check them out. So today we are unboxing the iPsy June Glam Bag. So if that sounds interesting to you and you're interested in that giveaway, stay tuned. And so the iPsy Glam Bag is a monthly subscription. It ships out 5 normally sample sizes. Every once in a while they'll throw in a full size for $12 to your door. Or if you want to do a yearly subscription, it brings it down to $132, saves you a little bit, and that's what I did on this. You always also get a bag, a makeup bag, and you get to choose one of your items. So let's find out what's in here. How cute is this bag? Perfect for summer. All the products are inside. Here's what the inside of the bag looks like. You have your iPsy logo here, and it does say iPsy on the zipper handle. So they started kind of doing a little promotional cards instead of listing what's on here. So I have to go, which I don't mind, I have to go through and look up each of them to find out a little bit more about them, to find out the retail values of the full sizes for you. I don't mind doing it. It was just nicer when they listed it all on the card. This does say, here comes the sun, 5 tips to maximize your SPF. The secret to every healthy complexion, sunscreen. Here's our quick list of musts for keeping it safe all summer long. Step 1, wear it everywhere. Harmful UV rays aren't deferred by clouds, windows, or seasons, and are the leading cause of premature aging and skin cancer. Nobody wants those. So wear it indoors, outdoors, in the sun, and in the shade. Step 2, 30 and flirty. Doctors agree SPF 30 and higher is best by warding off sun damage. And don't forget the little spots on your ears, scalp, lips, and hands are valuable too. Tip 3, make it a habit. The best kind of SPF is the one you wear consistently. Apply it as the last step of your AM skincare routine and let it absorb for a few minutes before moving on to makeup. Step 4, reapply like a pro. Sunscreens are broken down by UV exposure. To apply, so apply often. Think every 2 hours. If you're outside, working indoors, or by a window, twice a day would be okay. And tip 5, keep it fresh. Extreme heat, like a hot car, can hinder protection and lead to early expiration. So stash your sunscreen someplace cool. It'll feel amazing on warm days. So the first product that I am pulling out is a Receipe Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. They had a moisturizer that I really loved. And this is creamy with a slight grainy texture thanks to finely milled walnut skins with gently slough away dead skin cells. Hydrating eggplant extract clears and exfoliates, making this a perfect go-to mask for troubled skin. Callow and clay gently purifies the pores by removing excess oil, dirt, and debris without stripping your skin of moisture. Plus, it helps control future CeraVe products. Breakout Be Gone. With a 0 added fragrance, it's ideal for treating and preventing acne. Full size of this does retail for $19. I do a mask review series here on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think. So be on the lookout for this in an upcoming masking review series. From DewyTree, I just tried one of their masks recently. This is the Clean Lab AC Dew Form, and with a pH balance of 6.6, also known as non-irritating, this balanced cleanser is gentle enough for sensitive skin and keeps your skin feeling clean and hydrated after rinsing. The addition of Japanese umbrella pine extract helps condition your skin, and antimicrobial properties thoroughly wash away breakout inducing bacteria. A gel to form consistency lathers up upon contact with your skin, getting into every nook and cranny to leave your skin completely clean, no harsh rubbing required. The white willow stem extract, a natural source of salicylic acid, gently exfoliates away dead skin cells, making for a brighter, even skin tone. Full size of this does retail for $16. Now, ladies, for your foam cleansers, if you have dry skin like I do, don't use this. It will take away the natural oils on your skin, leaving it even more dry. Foaming cleansers are perfect if you have the more oily skin. They're great for that. So I think this one is going to be a pass for me, just because of my skin type. So next we have from Pop Beauty, the Pout on Paint in Risqué Rose. And make this easy to wear lip color your new go-to for all your summer beauty looks. Got 5 minutes to get ready? This unique triangular tip makes it easy to line and fill your lips with one product. This long-wearing formula withstands breakfast, lunch, drinks, you name it. It's made with vitamin E, a mega moisturizer that keeps your lips feeling soft and nourished. Risqué Rose is a deep rosy brown shade that's perfect for the season. It's super versatile. Wear it alone before lipstick or under your go-to gloss. So I am in the middle right now, kind of transitioning my hair to grays, growing out the grays. And I know that browns don't look good with gray hair, especially my skin tone. So I'm gonna save this for an upcoming giveaway for you guys. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit our huge big one coming up of 1,000 subscribers. We're getting there closely. Help us get there. I have tried this before and loved it. This is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Low Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Full size of this does retail for $29. And keep your lock on lock through heat, sweat, humidity, and more with this oil-free multitasking makeup primer. It creates a smooth, grippy base for makeup to make any foundation or concealer or tinted moisturizer you layer on top, long-lasting and crease-proof. A few dots blur pores, fine lines, and rough texture to give your skin a soft focus, airbrushed finish. Leave your blotting sheets at home. Olenic acid keeps excess oil in check throughout the day to make midday shine a thing of the past. Our pore minimizing effects aren't just temporary. This treatment formula is infused with salicylic acid to degunk pores and shrink the size. With continued use, I've used this, guys, and I love it. So the next product is one that I picked out. This is from Ofra. It is the Soho Highlighter. It does retail for $35. And Glow Goals coming right up. The Champagne Peach Highlighter is a one-way ticket to your most radiant skin ever. Plush pearl pigments catch the light and illuminate your features and give your complexion a warm, shimmery sheen. The unique powder formula uses a liquid tip-based technology to ensure maximum color payoff and serious sparkle every time you swipe it on. Not only is this a powder pro quality, it's vegan and cruelty-free, a win-win too. Look how pretty that is. It's just Stunning. Super, super pretty. So I think there were some amazing things in here. Super happy with this and the primer. I can't wait to use these. Look for this one in upcoming masking review series. I am going to give away in this video the DewyTree Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. It does sound really nice. It's just not for my skin. It'd be perfect for anybody who has more on the oily side. So my giveaways are really easy. All you have to do is subscribe. Remember, I do check, watch this video in its entirety, like the video. I do all my giveaways on a Google form. I'll put that link in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Also put on there your YouTube name, so that way I can verify that you are a subscriber. Let's have this giveaway go through July 6th. On July 7th, I will go ahead and pick the winner. I use a random number generator. I'll let the person know that the product will be shipped out to them. I'll also pin in this video in the comment section the person's first name and first initial of their last name. This is open international. I am, though, not responsible for duties, fees, taxes, lost in transit, anything like that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. I purchase all this stuff to give back to you, try to be a kind of a ray of sunshine for you guys. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. As well as if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. YouTube will now go and insert a couple other videos. If you have the time, check them out. I'm really trying to get my watch time minutes up. I hope you guys have a really safe rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.